Webathandi Bomkosi, not Grace Mondlana being dragged after revealing that her dog eats beef from Willy's. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Webathandi Bomkosi, ever since Grace Mondlana paid for her ex-boyfriend's funeral, things have not been looking quite well for her. Because tell me why every time Grace Mondlana is trending recently, it is always Mzansi dragging her. First, it was when she offered to pay, or rather she prayed for her ex-boyfriend's funeral. Mzansi lost it there and then. They were dragging Gracie non-stop. And then recently, Gracie revealed that she was doing ama knotless, or rather ama braids, that took for over 24 hours, and she paid allegedly the fee of 3K. People were dragging her for that. Last year, she hosted a birthday party whereby she was celebrating herself with some few people who were invited, where she was also dragged. They were saying that she was the tree, and the people who were there were the root of the tree. She was blossoming, whereas the people were just pouring to that. It was a lot, a lot. And then now she posted a picture, of beef from Woolies, revealing that her beautiful dog is eating beef from Woolies. Yo, Mzansi was like, not in this economy with Gracie, not in Ramaphosa's economy. What do you mean when you are feeding your dog meat from Woolies? Kanti what's happening? Sisenzani lana. You, but if you are following Gracie, you'll see how much she adores her dog. But the dog even have a whole stroller that Gracie puts the dog in whenever they are going out for walks or just going out to grab a coffee. So the dog eating such food, it is not quite a surprise. Let us look at what Tweep had to say. White flocks have medical aid for their dogs, yet our mothers who are working for them are subjected to inhumane conditions, a tweet said. Rather spend money on kids without parents than doing this nonsense. That dog will die and no one will even remember she was feeding the dog Willy steak. Useless people, another one stated. Do people understand that if they had her money, their dogs would be eating Willy's meat too? Just because you feed your dogs rubbish doesn't mean she should. This false hate in this lady is really unnecessary, another one stated. Another way of washing a stolen cash. Meanwhile, some members of a family are still busy calculating what to eat. Yo, but honestly, do you really have to judge Gracie on how she is choosing to spend her money? If Gracie wants to spend on her dog, let her do it. But this one, it is interesting. The level of how Mzansi has turned on Gracie ever since she paid for that ex-boyfriend as funeral. Things have not been working quite well for her. Please do leave your comments down below. But what do you think about this trending issue? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye. Kodwa in this economy, we're crazy. In this economy. Yo.